My name is Mike Jones, and I'm a barista at Third Rail Coffee, right by Washington Square Park in New York City. I'm going to teach you some basic coffee making skills. I'm going to show you how to clean an espresso machine. Now, the basic thing that you do is a process called back flushing. Now what this is instead of using this basket here in the portafilter, which has holes in the bottom for the espresso to go through, you use a blank one right here, which is solid on the base. You can pop it out and see. And so what you do is you put it in the machine, same as if you were extracting espresso, but pull shots at 5-second intervals. And I'll show you that a little bit more. First thing you want to do is scrub the screen. This is a pretty standard espresso brush. And as you're running some water, you just scrub the base. Now if you're doing this at the end of a night, at a busy cafe, you would actually take the screen off. But to give it a good clean, this is sufficient. So you put the portafilter in. Ran it for 5 seconds, and then stopped. And then dump out the dirty water. And then you're going to repeat that between 5 and 10 times. So assuming we've done that, the final step is to run the water and then wiggle the portafilter around. This cleans out around the edges up in the group head. So at the end of the night, you're going to want to do that same back flushing process, but this time with chemicals. The common ones are from Ernex, and they're either called Cafeza, Full Circle. There's a whole range of them, but pretty much every coffee shop is using the chemical from that company. So you just use a small amount, about the size of a dime, and place it right in that basket there. And then you just go through that same process of running 5-second intervals, and then at the end, wiggling it around. And you might want to give this one a more thorough wipe with a rag at the end so there's no excess chemicals. And that's the basics of cleaning the espresso machine.